Oh,
Yeah, this is like
we're transitioning now. This website lets you spend Elon Musk's fortune to see how ridiculous it is. You can get thousands of yachts, a Mona Lisa, islands, and even tanks, and have a receipt at the end. How much is enough?
this is just a fun little site. He has 217 billion US dollars.
He's worth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And there's a list of things that he could buy, like the PlayStations and the Xboxes, the phones.
So ridiculous. Fast food franchise. I thought I was going to actually buy some pizza or a burger. You're buying the franchise.
Yeah, Spotify for 80 years, which is $9,600.
Interesting.
Netflix subscriptions, and then you get into like more ridiculous stuff. You have supercars, diamond rings, private islands, pieces
Mona
of art.
Lisa.
The Mona Lisa is like
$1 billion.
900 billion.
I don't even think you could buy that if you wanted, right?
No,
Even if you
I think
I don't
that's
think
sticking
it's
at
for
the
sale.
Louvre.
10 plastic surgeries.
Yeah, 1 week in every country of the planet, which is $1 million.
God, that would take you a while.
NBA teams, NFL teams,
Whoa.
which is the most expensive out of the whole thing. It's to own an NFL team is $3 billion.
Yeah, it was like Chelsea.
Yeah.
Like we were talking about the other day.
Mm-hmm.
It's a lot of money and a lot of work. You got to be really involved.
Yeah.
That tank is $8 million. Produce
Just
a
a
Hollywood movie.
A
Yeah,
random
yeah.
tank.
M1 Abrams.
Yeah. So you can, live his life vicariously and
What's
start buying stuff.
funny is that he doesn't even really buy a lot of this stuff, from what I can tell. He's definitely had a few properties that are pretty nice over the years.
He's also not going to buy a different car.
Yeah. He's definitely going to be. Actually, I think he does have an older Jaguar.
Oh,
okay.
really?
Yeah, he was talking about on Rogan's it might have been a gift, and he likes to have one like classic combustion
Well, that's kind of cool. Yeah.
car around. Not really competitive with his products at this point in time. Classic car.